So of course, there is a huge technical team, and they will be there to design, configure, and integrate the SAP system into the organization, and of course, maintain the new SAP system once it's in place. In this technical team are a whole host of SAP technical specialists. This team has historically been called the SAP Basis Team, but this may not always be the case because naming conventions do change. The specialists in this technical team generally cover the following areas. So firstly, we have the SAP architects, and these are experts. They'll help you in designing the solution. They'll specify exactly which technical tools and components you need in order to put the new solution into place. So these people will be visionaries, and they'll have one eye on delivering innovation and leading edge solutions through SAP, but also fully understand the constraints and the pragmatism needed for an ultimate solution. That's the architects. Of course, you have the developers, and this team, importantly, will be able to design, develop, but also customize beyond the out-of-the-box solutions. So they will take the modules that SAP has, but they will be able to design and customize them for the new situation at hand through coding. We'll talk about that a little later. There are testers and integrators. So of course, once the SAP programmers have developed a bespoke solution, testing will immediately be a priority. So the new system is checked to see how it behaves and how it carries out business processes across the affected business units. These are the experts who will ensure that all elements of quality are taken care of and that the integration of the system is actually going to plan. Of course, there is the data team as well, and this team will be specialists in migrating certain pools of data into your new SAP system, whilst also ensuring that the new system can also efficiently tap into other sources of data, which might not be able to be brought over. For example, an IT system might regularly be invoking real-time data from a live feed or from the cloud. And of course, that wouldn't be migrated across, that would have been in real time. So the new system has to be able to handle that efficiently. There is the security and cyber team, and this team will focus primarily on ensuring that your system is made absolutely safe and secure for all the users. And so it's protected against that entire barrage of threats that are out there. And finally, we have the administration and support team. Now, this team, of course, will be a permanent fixture because once the SAP system is installed, they will ensure that your system is running at its optimal state and that all the issues are looked after on an ongoing basis. And as you'll find out later, these people may well have NetWeaver as a key skill. Again, I hope that's all sinking in. These technical analysts will, of course, make use of the many technical SAP modules, and I'm going to tell you a bit about those now.